Hello, my name is Gabe Teller, and my colleagues are Nathan Samuel, Reyhan Ramrakyhani, and Aarav Dwivedi. We come from District 4 of Colorado, or Douglas County School District, and our app today is called Aurevia, coming from the Latin words aurum and via, meaning the golden way, hence our slogan. Across the country, there's a huge gap when it comes to financial education. Most students graduate knowing how to solve math problems, but don't know how to budget, use credit wisely, or plan for college expenses. We saw that gap in our own school, so we decided to do something about it. That's where Aurevia started, with the idea of turning financial education into something that's personal and interactive. While the app is built for high schoolers, it's open to anyone who wants to take control of their money. Our passion for economics began freshman year and has grown through real experiences, like getting mentorship from professionals like Senator John Carson and Charles Schwab advisors. Aurevia helps students take charge of their finances through 4 main features, each one focused on a different skill. First, the simulation game lets users practice financial decision making, from saving and investing to handling random life events, all in a fun, gamified environment. Second, the budgeting module allows students to build flexible, realistic budgets using real data. Third, the AI survey system personalizes the experience, adjusting lessons and rewards based on how users perform. And finally, the scholarship finder helps students search, filter, and apply for scholarships that match their interests. Together, these tools turn financial knowledge into real-life confidence. Building Aurevia wasn't easy, though, but it was incredibly rewarding. We faced plenty of coding challenges and had to decide which platform would work best for students. Integrating AI smoothly and designing a user-friendly interface took a lot of trial and error. But those challenges taught us how to adapt, troubleshoot, and stay persistent while keeping the app's design clean, accessible, and student-focused. As we move forward, we want to make Aurevia more engaging. But how do we make the code? To create Aurevia, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, all coded and tested through VS Code. We use JSON to store and organize the data, and AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT to refine our foundation. This setup allowed us to build a reliable, fast, and friendly experience. This project wasn't just about coding. It was about growth. We discovered our shared passion for finance and education, gained real experience in teamwork and problem solving, and learned what it really means to stay patient through obstacles. More than anything, Aurevia showed us how technology can empower people, helping our peers feel more confident and capable when it comes to money. Now here's my colleague Reyhan to showcase the app and exactly what it can do.
Hi, this is Reyhan. I'll be showcasing the financial app of Aurevia, our interactive personal finance app designed to teach students how to manage money through real-world simulations. When you first open the app, you'll land on the dashboard. This is a central hub where you can access all 4 parts of Aurevia: the finance game, budget and goals, the AI quiz, and the scholarship hub. On the left, you'll see each module is shown as a card. You can just click on one to start. Let's start with the finance game. This is where users make real-world financial decisions in multiple rounds. You'll see options for how to spend, save, or invest your money, plus random life events that appear as pop-ups, like paying for a car or receiving a work bonus. After each round, your cash, savings, and debt automatically update here on the screen, and you can track how your choices affect your overall score. Next, let's look at budget and goals. Here, you can create a monthly budget using the envelope system, breaking down your income into categories like essentials, savings, and fun spending. To reduce grunt work on the user, you can import your transactions from your bank and track how you spend your money. The circular progress bars make it easy to visualize how much you've used in each category. You can also set goals, for example, saving $500 for college. And the tracker shows how much progress you have towards that goal. Moving on to the AI quiz. This section helps users test what they know about personal finance topics like budgeting, investing, credit, insurance, and even applying for scholarships. You can just hit start and the app gives you a timed multiple choice test. When you finish, it shows a score breakdown with color-coded strengths and weaknesses. And it even recommends areas for you to review your results. Finally, we have the Scholarship and College Aid Hub. Here, users can search for scholarships that match their GPA, location, and interests. You can save scholarships for later and view links to apply to scholarships you love all in one place. Every part of this platform connects together. The game builds habits, the budget tracks progress, and the quiz reinforces learning, and the scholarship helps our users apply those lessons to their real lives. Now, my partner Nathan will comment on the code behind the scenes.
Now, let's just discuss the JSON aspect of our code. We use JSON to help organize and filter out our data. So here in this example, we see how JSON can help sort our scholarship data, which is a big mess. So here we have them organized by names, the amount, and the link for the students to click on so they can apply. We also have them organized by majors, the type of the scholarship, if it's need-based or merit-based. This is where JSON was really impactful for us as it helped sort our data and keep it in a clear and consistent manner. Now let's discuss how we implemented JavaScript into our code. We chose JavaScript because of its strong capabilities and how it works well with HTML and JSON files. Here we can see JavaScript interacting well with our HTML textile options right here.
And with that, we conclude our showcase of Aurevia. Thank you so much for listening.